Alright, so welcome back to the video. Gotta start it out right. We all just got off work, and on the way home last night, my fuel pump started cutting out, so I called Andrew Molina at Animal Auto, and he told me to come by. He has a fuel pump for me, so that's what we're gonna do tonight. If you look at my dash right now, like pan over, watch the RPMs. Like, I'm flat right now, and the fuel pump like can't keep up. It's jolting pretty bad. So we're gonna put a new. Oh, it's taking so fucking bad right now.
I'm just trying to pop some wheelies on the freeway.
Yeah, I'm just trying to pop some wheelies. No, it's doing it super bad right now. I'm hoping the car makes it there because he has a fuel pump for me. Yeah. We'll see you when we get there.
Alright, so right now. Oh.
Get over
Yeah,
here.
is this supposed to be dumping fuel? Like,
Your tank is fucked, dude.
where do I start? Well, we get to Andrew's house, and Andrew called it. He was like, your fuel tank might be rusted. I've seen it happen before. We take the fuel pump assembly out, and we open it, and it looks like fucking shit water. There's like chips of rust. Like, you could like take it out of the mixture. I'm not even gonna call it fuel because it's not.
It's like murky lake water.
It's like shitty, murky, mossy fucking shit water. And shit water. And yeah.
And shit water.
And more shit water. Like, Andrew said it's the worst one he's ever seen. So.
Man, the steering wheel's on the wrong side.
Oh, yo! Anyways.
So, yeah. We're leaving now. We cleaned the filter on the fuel pump, and it seems to be working a little better, but bad news is I have to get a new fuel tank. I have to get new lines. I have to get a new fuel pump assembly, like the top part.
Injectors.
I was already getting new injectors, so I'm not really, like, honestly, I'm not that, like, bummed about what happened. It is what it is. And we're on the way home right now. Hopefully it makes it. Seems to be driving a lot better, just with a, like, oh!
Just kidding.
Just kidding. Probably won't make it home.
Yo, knock knock.
Who's there?
Rust.
We're back at the shop. Oh, here, let me update you really quick, just because somebody feels really bad right now.
The car made it.
So you know how I got this new computer, right? To start doing what I'm doing. The last corner before we get to the shop, you know, we're just going around the corner. Took it a little faster, and let's introduce Billy. Billy, oh, he was in the last one. Yeah. Billy, remember? He gave me some money last time. He's gonna give me some more money. Let me show you why. So, come around the corner. Voila! Elbow straight right into the fucking kisser. Look at all that rust. Dude, my night is just full of rust. Now what we're gonna do though, fuck this.
Throw it. Throw that shit. Oh.
I don't even care about this really. But now I'm gonna show you guys how bad the rust was in here. We're gonna take it all apart, and yeah. All right, fuel pump is out. It's fucking leaking everywhere. So that's like that's annoying. It's rusty, but let me just show you where the good stuff gets. Where the good stuff gets. What does that even mean? Where the good stuff gets.
Where the stuff gets good.
Where the stuff gets good. Come this way. See that? That's fuel. And then come over here. Holy fucking Toledo. Do you see that shit? So we didn't even put the new fuel pump in. We basically stopped right there. And now it's just finding a fuel tank. I think I can salvage this. If we get like a new pump, clean it up, maybe. I don't know. But that's why, if you remember in the video before, remember how I was like, oh yeah, my fucking I'm leaving this in. My gas tank. Like, fuck, dude. What's it called?
Fuel gauge.
My fuel gauge. Wow, that was crazy. I was like, yeah, my fuel gauge doesn't work. You wanna know why? It's because it's fucking like rusted shut. But afterwards, we did fix the fuel gauge, but now I need a new fuel tank. So, yeah, ethanol is gonna have to wait until I get a new gas tank and a new fuel pump. And while that's out, I'm just gonna do rails, injectors, and lines. Yeah. All right, well, since the gas tank has to come out anyways, I'm just gonna pull it and kind of turn this into a little how-to video. So first things first, oh my God. There's this little plastic piece right here. There's these little push tabs. One is right there, one's right there, and there's another one kind of hidden up there. So you take those three off, and there's a little bracket that holds the neck for the fuel tank to stay in the gas door. And basically you just remove that little cover and undo the bracket. And then there's, looks like 17s or 19s. There's two straps that go to the chassis that hold the fuel tank up. Should just be those two straps and this little cover piece, and then the hoses. And after that, we'll see how bad the tank is. So I got that little cover off, and the bolt that I was talking about is right there. I already undid it, so now the neck is free, and I'm just gonna take these two straps off. There's one on this side, and then you can see the hoses right there. We're just gonna disconnect those hoses. Fuel tank's ready to go. All right, fuel tank's out. It was relatively easy, way easier than a 350Z one because you don't have to drop the subframe. Now, and Andrew Molino was saying that a S13 gas tank does work. I would rather get a R32 one, but if I have to, I'll try and make a S13 one work. All right, so we just emptied the tank. The neighbors have a biohazard waste container, and they let me dump it out, but I wanna show you how bad the rest is in this tank. So I can just grab like handfuls, like after handfuls. So this is explaining the whole sputtering issue. There's like so much more, but there's this is trying to go through the fuel pump and in the injectors, causing it to sputter. Perfect. Hi. I'm putting my tank back in. It's really clean.
You want to just show them the aftermath? You're just going to throw it in without them seeing
I
it?
already put it in. They can just take my word on it.
Struggle
Just
bus.
nail my head. Okay, well there's the outside. The outside's really clean, the inside's even cleaner. It literally looks brand new. Let's get it in.
Line her up.
Jack it off, Justin. Just stay right there for a second.
Stay here.
No, you're good.
Don't move at all. I'm just fucking with you. Oh shit. I don't think that's how it works. That's just gonna... Give Billy light.
Oh, are you like a flare?
Yo.
Hey, get back on!
That's scary.
Get back on!
What's gonna happen?
Get back on!
Billy, hold on.
Scary. Are you guys ready? No.
Drop it. So, Sheldon went to get gas. Fuel tank's in. cleaned the fuel pump, and hopefully this new gas will help with the stuttering problem, but...
It smells like fucking flares in here, bro.
Hey, you got it. Hey, bro, what? That's not cool, dude. I'm trying to film a video here, dude. Like, can you, like... Start it right now, dude. Ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you here live that he's thinking about if this shit don't work, he's gonna end his life.
Nah, I think the pump's already. I need to do the pump. Oh, hi. It'd be cool to see if my gas gauge works. Fucking new California laws on these safety gas tanks. Gas fucking stupid things are so stupid.
And it's all at 10 minutes.
It's like, look at, I'm gonna get more shit on the fucking ground and into the soil than if there's just a normal cap on it. Ready?
Shit, dude. Oh my
It's
god.
fast now, huh? It feels so good. There's like no sputter at all.
Yeah. There probably won't be, huh?
The body roll is so real. Should we try and do a donut with actual power now?
Sure.
I'm gonna get like momentum first.
And then clutch kick?
Uh-huh.
You got enough body roll to take this thing off the way to Egypt, bro. Do you hear the body roll? It's like ding, 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 ding. When it catches, when it straightens out, it's like, what the heck?
No smoke gang.
All right, Sheldon, explain about your Camry. Explain about your Camry, dude.
Alright, so the fuel tank is back in. We just went for a couple rips. It's perfect. And my gas gauge works now. Just focus on Justin. No, do it again. Come on, be about it.
No, you gotta talk. I'll be behind you, dude. Talk.
So, gas tank's in, it rips, and Justin had the great idea to take my exhaust off.
Well,
So-
I have the same motor in my car, and it's pretty much open downpipe, right? She screams.
She's a ripper.
She's a ripper.
So I don't mind a rip. This exhaust is in really good condition. Never been rusted, not even once. Let's see what this is. Cold start something. Cold start, warm start. Got so excited with the keys. Oh, there my ass.
Just realize.
I'm really curious. What do you think it's gonna sound like? Loud?
Yeah.
Okay, so tonight was a success. The fuel tank's in. It runs great. We decided to take the exhaust off. Runs great. Does burnouts. I'll see you guys next time. Like. subscribe.